How to reactivate Facebook Messenger on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your iPhone. You will then be brought to the main Facebook feed. Here, you can view posts, stories, and suggestions on your homepage. From this page, tap on the Messenger icon in the top right corner. This will open the chat section directly within the Facebook application, showing all your conversations. To find a specific conversation, tap on the search bar at the top or tap on any chat to open the conversation. Once inside, you can view the complete chat history and continue your conversation. This way, you get full control over your experience with the app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily reactivate and access Facebook Messenger on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.